Hello YouTube. Today I want to share a video about the first thing that I learned on this new year 2025. And like the new year, I thought it was time to learn something new. Over the past year, I've done a lot of work with wood and plywood as well, but never done with bamboo. So just wanted to learn bamboo crafting as another addition to my skills. And yes, of course, I will share all my experiences on this bamboo crafting journey through the videos on YouTube. So a few days ago, there I was down at the bamboo grove, and I cut one of the bamboos to try out my new skills, what I learned. So just for practice, I actually really didn't need a fully matured bamboo. This immature ones will just do fine. So I chose this as it's easier to work with. I want to make a small and shallow bamboo basket, which is the reason why I'm using my arm length as a measurement. It's going to be small, not that big. After I've cut down the required length, I have to split them up into smaller sections in order to draw out the cane from the bamboo itself. The interior pulp of the bamboo is not required here, so I will try to remove as much as possible and just use the outer skin layer. I really have to admit that working with bamboo is much harder than I thought. And since this is my first time, it's a little difficult for me to draw out the cane. But as I went on doing it, I got the hang of it. And slowly but surely, I managed to get everything that I needed. Now most of the interior pulp has been removed, as you can see here, but there are a lot of work to be done to refine the cane still more. And I will do it with the help of a small knife and a piece of cloth. The purpose of this cloth is to prevent your fingers from getting cut. So all you need to do is wrap the piece of cloth around your finger as you trim off the excess pulp with the help of the knife. In order to weave the basket, we only need the outermost layer of the bamboo, which should be flexible enough and easy to work with. So you have to refine the cane using a sharp knife. continued to work with it, it was getting dark and cold, so I had to move into the kitchen to work on the rest of the canes. Sadly, we were experiencing power cuts, so it was dark and I had to use a candle to continue working on the canes. So please don't mind about the blurry and dark video. Well, it's getting late. I need to rest, so we'll continue the video tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So the next day I finished preparing all the cane, and finally it's time to weave. Now I know there's a lot of people out there who are into bamboo crafts and have years and years of experience, who might be watching my video. You might find it funny see me struggle with the weaving technique, but I'm a beginner who learned bamboo crafting just 2 days ago. So forgive me for that. I will try my best to learn it well and do it well. And of course, keep the tradition and craftsmanship alive to pass it on to the next generation. Also, I know there will be a lot of people watching my videos who have completely no idea about bamboo crafting and weaving just like me. If you are planning to learn it, although a beginner myself, I'm trying my best to show you as much as I can through this video. I hope this video gives you at least a little bit of rough idea to start your bamboo crafting journey. Now I think it's time to stop my commentary here and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, which is accompanied by an absolute soothing and calm background music, which I guarantee will put you to sleep tonight. So enjoy watching the video, enjoy listening to audio. know what you thought about the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. নতুন মাইক একটা লাগে মরে